Welcome to Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh Primary School, English Standard 4, Aesop's Fables. Children, before this I have told you all the story from Aesop's Fable, that is The Stag at the Pool. Today I am going to tell you the next story, The Dog at the Manger. The Dog in the Manger. Once a dog was looking for a nice and comfortable place to lie down. You can see the dog, it is trying to find out a place, a comfortable place to lie down. He came to a manger of an ox and jumped onto the hay to rest. It was a very hot afternoon. Since it was very hot, he wanted to rest in a peaceful place, in a shady place. So he came to a manger where the hay was kept for the ox to eat. There he saw that was a comfortable place for him. He jumped into it and then he went to sleep over there. After a while, the ox returned from the field. He had worked hard in the hot sun and was now quite hungry. He stood in his stall and was planning to eat the hay that was put in the manger for him. You can see it wanted to eat, but there the dog was sleeping on the hay. However, when he reached for the hay, the dog saw him standing in the manger. He began to bark loudly at the ox. Each time that the ox came near the hay, the dog snarled, barked, and snapped at the ox. He would not allow the ox to eat his hay. Oxen are generally peace-loving and patient animals, but finally the ox got upset and spoke firmly. Dog, if you wanted to share my dinner with me, I would not mind it. But you neither eat the hay nor allow me to enjoy it. It is of no use to you. Then why don't you let me have my favorite food? See, so nicely the ox is telling the dog. The dog cannot eat the hay. He never eats the hay. But he is not allowing the ox to eat the hay either. So peacefully the ox is telling to the dog that if you wanted to share my dinner, I would surely share with you. But you don't eat that hay. Then why don't you allow me to eat my favorite food? So the moral of the story is, don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Okay, children? So this story tells us that if we can't enjoy ourselves, whatever is given to us, then we should allow the others to use it. Like see, the ox liked the hay and it was its favorite food, and the dog never eats the hay. So what the dog should do, move away from there and allow the ox to eat the hay. But no, the dog did something else. The dog went on barking at the ox and it did not allow the ox to eat the hay. So that was wrong on the part of the dog. Isn't it, children? So the moral of the story is, don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Now based on this story, listen, read and then answer the following questions. What did the dog do when the ox went near the manger? And what is the moral of the story? Nextly, the next question is, read aloud the following speeches from the lesson. What the ox said to the dog in the manger. Children, go through the story, listen, read, and then answer these questions in your CW book. Okay, children? Thank you.